Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Fishing with Jared, back with another video. Right now we're about to go fishing. I got my tackle box gear right here. I got my fishing gear. I got my fishing rod. Right now we have to be quiet. Rest in peace, baitcaster. It ain't working. I effed it up. Give it a few rings. Anyways, right now we are about to go fishing with Hayden Goes Fishing. What's wrong, mate?
Dad?
Yeah, my dad left to go to the Broken Bow. I ain't going with him anymore since this freaking school year's coming. I won't be uploading as much since the school year's coming, but
Screw school.
yeah, I'm going 8th grade, he's going 5th grade.
Screw school. Oh yeah, Mr. Mark.
Yeah.
I'm gonna tell Hayden. Hayden probably won't care.
Alright, anyways. We'll be going fit. I have to go to school, football practice, then maybe fishing after. Depends how tired I am. Because football practice is after school every single day. Then we have games. We won't have games for like 2 weeks. Yeah. Yeah.
Can you help me?
I'm talking, I'm not frozen. Okay, so. Hey, Devon,
Haters. Sorry, Jake Paulers.
Jake Paul sucks. Logan Paul's good.
He smashes plates, so do I. And my dreams.
We're about to be. So Hayden Goes Fishing is gonna do like really good fishing, and I'm gonna do some bass fishing. Look at my tackle box right now. I'm about to go buy some baits for Hayden for my Rubik's Cube. Love Rubik's Cube. So yeah. Hey, look at. I'm actually using my freaking tripod now today. It's awesome. Isn't it? So I'll get right with you when Hayden goes fishing. Hayden. He's supposed to call me, so. Alright, see you. Wait, actually, no. Yeah, see you when we get there. Peace. Oh crap, it's still going. Right now, we are at Lake Hallis. Hayden Goes Fishing. Catching thing.
You need bait. My bait came off.
And I'll just keep you updated if you catch anything. Right now, I just caught one, but I was about to die. So it was a bluegill, flipped it like a boss. So I was about to die. I was using this. My hook came off. It got hooked in the cheek. It was nasty. But, oh well. So keep you updated. Hayden has about like 6 fish right now, and I only have 1. My brother's nothing. So peace.
Smash this bottle.
So right, no. I'm just people have bare feet, and I just got that on video. Dude, that's actually not good.
Didn't break.
Alright, so we're gonna go to a different spot. We're gonna go down there. There's a guy called Margie. And right here, we'll be going in fast motion.
I know where we're going, so I'm gonna call Hayden, or one of you.
So guess what I'm getting for my birthday? I already told you that. Guess what?
Like,
Guess where I'm gonna get like?
You're getting your
I'm gonna get full Bass Pro Shop. I'll have like $400 of Bass
I know,
Pro.
I got it from my birthday. Hey, did you catch anything?
Where at?
What'd you catch?
Huh?
What'd you guys do?
About 20 bluegill.
I
Where'd you
one.
catch your bass at?
Down on that dog right there.
Yeah, that's where we're going.
What should we use? Use this bird?
Alright, let's go use it. Thanks. Have a good day. Good luck.
I know that fishing.
Alright guys, so my hands in the way. You guys can barely see me. Just watch out for them. I don't want them like. Yeah, guys, if you didn't know, I have a fear of geese. I have a fear of geese.
Like the Canadian vibe. No, the natural life in Canada, eh?
I'm going to the Super Bowl in Minnesota.
Huh?
Might be going to the Super Bowl in Minnesota.
Oh, is that this year?
Yep.
You said you'd take me.
Maybe.
What if I save up money and buy my own ticket?
Oh, don't you want to buy it, right?
Well, what if I buy a ticket right by you?
I'd be lit. No, there's trees in the way you dunk.
Oh, maybe I'll put the issue. I forgot to put deodorant on. I hate that, dude. I might kill my Senko.
Here, can I buy one?
I don't know, can you?
Yeah, dude, I barely need bait. I need to get me a new bait. Let's look at it. That's all I have. Crappy bait. That's all I have.
Crappie bait can catch bass.
Sometimes. Actually, what?
Dude, I'm gonna get such a nice bait catcher. Dude, I'm gonna buy one for like $200. Woo, look at this right here.
Stupid. $200.
No, that's like super good quality. It'll last a long time.
But first, you need to know how to cast it.
I know how to count.
What? Oh, gee, that's nice.
Wait, who lives here?
Who lives here?
No, people are lucky.
Oh, yeah, they are lucky. So that's a good football field right there, bro. Good baseball field. I'm not running. Alright, we'll be right back with the food catching thing. Alright guys, there's the second one of the day. Just came right at it. Look at that. I'm going to show you how to take this one off. Alright, so guys, this is what you do.
And
Grab your line. I'm going to lip this thing. And then you just put your hand over it. Ow. I'm going to lip this bad boy. Ouch. Alright, first I'm just going to take the hook out. Look at that. Open your mouth.
Does it have to?
It's a nice one. Alright, get this release on this baby.
There you go.
Alright, we'll keep you updated, guys.
I got one.
Let's go. Oh yeah, Hayden got one. You can show it to the camera if you want. Go subscribe to Hayden Goes Fishing. He caught a largie. Not to brag, I caught a lot of those. Alright, peace. So I hope you leave a like, comment, subscribe. We're going to end the video here. Right now I caught 2. He caught about like 1. And he caught by 2. So hopefully you enjoyed watching this video. I think he caught by like 15.
I caught so many. I caught over 30. No joke.
Alright. Fisher Jared out. Peace.